Okay. So once again, let's review the last week what we have done it. We have, as I told you earlier, that our foundation has to be very, very strong. Let it take one day extra also. I don't mind it, but if foundation is not good for you, you'll be having problem in studying. Then you will not understand what I'm talking about. That so let's have it more solid. Last week we have studied the lesson 1 about what is a business environment and foundation, so that we know that before the project, what is the duty of a consultant, how to do the feasibility study, how to have a find out return on investment, how to find out the project objectives, what is the project governance, and what is the EEF and OPA, which is about the external environment, internal environment. All those things we have studied last week. Am I right? Are you able to recall something? And today I'm going to start the processes, and then further we'll go like this. Once this is completed, then we'll go like this and we'll complete it. This quick revision is just is not mention everything, but it just give you idea that what is my roadmap, so that the roadmap is that how so what is my next milestone, how should I go it. This is about that. So last time when I said lesson 1 is there, in lesson 1 we have gone through the question answer also. Am I right? Question answers also.
Right.
Right. So in that, what is the reference? There's a document called lesson 1. Have you gone through this lesson? Do you have access of this lesson 1 document? Because
Yes.
after class you need to study also, right? Everybody has got access of this. Have you opened it? What is there in lesson 1? Because you need to see once again. No, I may be telling something wrong.
Yeah, I can access it, yes.
Can is different than anybody has opened lesson 1. Now you tell me, if you don't open it, means therefore said if I'm talking 2 hours, you have to study 2 hours at least in a week. Even I mean 6 hours means 6 hours a week you have to open the book or something like that. Anybody got a chance to open this? And what is the chance? Is it necessary or no? Now where is lesson 1? Lesson 1 is here. Okay, lesson 1 is in student library. And lesson 1 is starting, lesson 1 business environment is there, 0 to lesson 1, right? In lesson 1, I talked about what is project, right? Just recall, I talked about what is project management, what is predictive adaptive life cycle. Something extra I also keep on adding it, that you can always refer it later on. Okay. And this is a slide actually. The green color, top bottom green, means this is a slide about the PMO, supportive directive and all. We talked about OPM. We talked about portfolio management. We also talked about organizational structure, function, matrix. I think you can recall, no?
Yes.
Last week I talked about this. I talked about some pictures also. And here I've given some more explanation, which is there in the slide, much more than that. Then we also talked about tailored program. If you open it, no, it will be good for you. You can recall it. You can make a short notes for that. Have you opened it or not? If you're not opened, please open it, because I'm not, this is a different kind of class there, because the practical experience is more. It's not that come to the class and you feel I know everything, I will do it. At least you have to go through, everything I know. But if you don't open it, the one more time, opening is required. Can everybody open this book?
Yeah, it is open with me.
Yeah, only 2 persons I have seen it. I'm able to see only 2 persons opening this book. Deepali Bhatnagar and Nagesh. What about other people? Bag has also opened it.
Yes, sir. I can open it.
This week I'm giving you a lot of the homework. I will focus on your homework than my classes. Otherwise, thing will not move the way. It's not only attending class and leaving everything. 1 week time and you're not able to open the book even. Please, everybody, open the book quickly so that we can go to the next step. PMI triangles are there in the book. So whatever I taught you last week, everything is there about the strategic alignment, about the EEF and OPA. Only 3 people. What is the problem with other people?